2-7, it says to solve an equation for a given variable. For number 9, it gives us the linear equation of y equals mx plus b. A asks us to solve for m, which is considered to be the slope. B says to solve for the x, and C asks us to solve for the b, okay, which is the y-intercept. Get used to this, as you're going to see this in the next couple of months, all right? So it says to solve for m. What does it mean to solve for m? Well, in English, it means to get m alone, okay? That's what it means. How about we grab the equation so we know what we're working with here? And I'm going to paste it down right here so we can see it. We're going to draw the line down the middle so we can separate the left-hand side from the right-hand side. So let's get the m alone. There's a plus b on the right, and there's an m that is attached via multiplication. So how about we subtract the b to both sides first? Plus b minus b will cancel, leaving you with just a mx on the right-hand side. Bring down an equal sign. You have y minus b on the left-hand side. The m is attached via multiplication here. So how do we get rid of multiplication? We divide both sides by m. So as a result, the m over m will cancel, making the number 1, leaving you with just a x on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, it is y minus b divided by m. So, sorry. I'm trying to get, hold on. Sorry, I just actually did this problem. I just did b by accident. So let me just move it over, okay? B is to get x alone. I don't want to delete the problem. I just did b first, okay? So I did that first because you see how x is alone? All right, so, okay, I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab this step, okay? Same process. Write the equation, draw the line down that middle, okay? And then I want to add b to both sides for it to cancel. Okay, this leaves me with a y minus b on the left-hand side equals to an mx here. I'm trying to get x alone, m alone. So I'm trying to get rid of the x. So I'm going to divide by x. So the x here cancels, okay? Now, do you see how the m is now alone because the x cancels, right? So it is y minus b divided by x, okay? A and B are really similar. The first step is the same, which is subtracting that b value, right? The second inverse is the difference, okay? For A, you divide by x to both sides. For B, you divide by m to both sides, all right? That is the difference, okay? So here you go. Hopefully you followed along. All right, C asks us to solve for B. Let me grab the equation here. All right, so solve for B. What does solve for B mean in very simple English? Well, it just means to get the letter B alone. Okay, that's what it means. Let's draw the line down the middle so we can separate the left from the right-hand side. Okay, so once we have this, we're trying to get that B alone. So what is next here? We have an M and an X. This is all together. Do you see how it's together? It's stuck together. So what we can do is subtract it together from both sides, okay? So mx minus mx will cancel, leaving you with just a b on the right-hand side, okay? So this cancels, this all cancels. On the left-hand side, you have a y minus mx. That is equal to b. So there you go, that's it. C is the simplest one. So there you go. A is when you get m alone, which is the slope. B, you're solving for the x, and C, you're solving for the b, which is the y-intercept. Okay, so there you go.